Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering and Stuff, and in today's video we are going to learn how to solve 2 degree and 3 degree equations using 991 MS calculator. So to solve these equations, first of all we have to enter into the equation mode. So to do that, first of all we'll enter by clicking this mode 3 times. So we'll click 1, 2, 3, and you can see here in the equation mode, to enter into the equation mode we have to press 1. So we will press 1. Now in the previous video we learned about how to use the 991 MS calculator if we have to solve the equation that contains 2 unknown variables and 3 unknown variables by clicking these respective options. Now to enter into the degree mode we have to press the right button. You can see here it is saying if you want to go to degree you have to press this right button. Now here if our equation is 2 degree we will choose 2, if our equation is 3 degree we will choose 3. Now first of all in the first example we will use the 2 degree equation, and the example that we are going to use is this one, 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. It's a 2 degree equation, so to enter into the 2 degree mode we have to press 2. So we will press 2. So now we have to enter the value of a, b and c. So here a is 5, so I'm going to enter 5. Then I'll press equal to. Then the value of b is 6, so I'll enter 6. I'll press equal to. The value of c is 1, and I'll press equal to. And we have the solution. So the value of x is minus 0.2 and minus 1. Alright, so these are the solution for this equation. Alright, if you want to enter another values, you can again by pressing equal to sign you can enter other values. Okay, so this is how we solve the 2 degree equation. Now let us take another example for a 3 degree equation. And the example that we will be using is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Now right now the calculator is in 2 degree equation mode. So to enter into the 3 degree equation mode we will again press mode 3 times, 1, 2, 3. We will again press 1 to enter into the equation mode. We will press the right hand side button, and then we will enter 3 to enter into the 3 degree equation mode. Now taking the example and putting the values, a1 will be 2, b will be 3, c will be minus 11, and d will be minus 6. Then I'll press equal to sign, and the value of x is 2, minus 3, minus 0.5. Since it is a 3 degree equation, so of course we are going to have 3 solutions, and these are the solutions. If you want to see again the solutions, we can press the upward button. Okay, so this is how we solve the 2 degree and 3 degree equations using 991 MS calculator. So I hope the video was useful to you. If so, please do press the like button and share your views in the comment section. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.